Hello everyone, in this session we have a clear shot about Lewis dot symbols for number of elements such as magnesium, sodium, boron, oxygen, nitrogen as well as bromine. Okay, before we are going to write the Lewis dot symbols for number of elements, we should note about atomic numbers as well as electronic configuration. So basing on the electronic configuration, we have to write down the valency electrons. So depending upon the valency available, we have to write the Lewis dot symbols. For example, when we observe the magnesium, so what is the atomic number of magnesium? 12. That is the atomic number of magnesium. So basing on the atomic number, we have to write the electronic configuration of magnesium as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 as well as 3s2. This is the electronic configuration. So what is the valency of magnesium? So valency is nothing but the electrons which are present in the outermost shell. So the outermost shell is 3s2, which is having only 2 electrons. So what is the valency of magnesium? 2. So these 2 electrons were completely on the surface of magnesium, which is lie on the side of the magnesium. So this is the Lewis dot symbol of magnesium. So similarly sodium. What is the atomic number of sodium? 11. So this electronic configuration is written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 as well as 3s1. The last shell which is called as 3s1, which is having the electron 1. So sodium is having only one valency, that is written as sodium 1 dot. And coming to the boron, the boron atomic number is 5. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 as well as 2p1. The outermost shell such as S as well as P having 3 electrons. So the valence of boron is 3. So automatically you have to get the boron with 3 dots. Each electron is represented in the form of dot only. You should remember this point. Coming to the oxygen, the atomic number of oxygen is 8, which was written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. What is the valency of oxygen? 6, that is the valency. So we have written as 6 dots. Nitrogen, what is the atomic number? 7. What is the valency? 5 valency. So 5 dots. Similarly, bromine, what is the valency of the bromine? 7 valency. So we have to get the 7 dots. Okay, these are the Lewis dot structures of atoms of magnesium, sodium, boron, oxygen, nitrogen as well as bromine of their particular elements. Thank you very much.